In today's world, health supplements seem to promise miracles, more energy, better immunity, glowing skin, and a longer life. But are they really as good as they seem? Before you reach for the next bottle, there are some important misconceptions about health supplements that you need to know. In this video, we are breaking down the myths and separating facts from fiction, because when it comes to your health, knowledge is your best defense. Health supplements are widely used by people to promote overall health, fill in nutrient gaps, and support specific health goals. However, there are several misconceptions about health supplements that must be cleared up to ensure that consumers make informed decisions. Some of these misconceptions and their facts include: 1. Supplements can replace a healthy diet. Supplements aren't a substitute for real food. One common misconception is that health supplements are a replacement for a healthy diet. While supplements could help fill in nutrient gaps, they should not be used as a substitute for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember that whole foods provide not just vitamins and minerals, but also fiber, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients. A varied diet provides a wide range of nutrients and phytochemicals that are important for overall health and well-being, which cannot be fully replicated by taking supplements alone. 2. More is better. More is not always better. Many people believe that if a small dose of a supplement is good, more must be even better. But overdosing on certain vitamins and minerals could be dangerous or have negative effects on health and may even be toxic. It is important to follow recommended dosages and read labels carefully to avoid unintentionally consuming too much of a particular nutrient. For example, too much vitamin A could damage the liver, and excess iron could lead to digestive issues or even heart problems. Always stick to the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional before increasing your intake. 3. Natural means safe. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Just because a supplement is labeled natural doesn't automatically mean it's safe. Some natural supplements could interact dangerously with other medications or cause side effects on their own. For example, herbal supplements like St. John's wort or ginkgo biloba may seem harmless, but they can interfere with blood thinners, antidepressants, or birth control. Always check with a healthcare professional before mixing supplements with any medication. 4. Supplements are always tested and approved. Supplements aren't as strictly regulated as you think. Not all supplements undergo rigorous testing and regulation by health authorities for safety or effectiveness before they hit the shelves. So it is important to carefully research and choose supplements from reputable manufacturers that adhere to quality standards. Some products may not even contain what they claim on the label. It's crucial to buy supplements from trusted, reputable sources and always look for certifications like NSF certified or USP verified. 5. Supplements work instantly. Supplements aren't a quick fix. We all want quick results, but supplements don't work overnight. If you are taking supplements for immunity, energy, or skin health, remember that it could take weeks or even months to see any noticeable difference. Consistency and patience are key, but if you are not feeling any benefits after a couple of months, it's worth reevaluating whether you need that supplement in the first place. It is also important to know that health supplements are not a quick fix for health issues. While supplements may support overall health and well-being, they should not be relied upon as the sole solution for treating or preventing medical conditions. It is important to address health concerns with a healthcare provider and develop a comprehensive plan that may include supplements as part of a larger approach to health and wellness. 6. If it's a supplement, it must be good for you. Not all supplements are necessary. Here's the hard truth. Not everyone needs to take supplements. In fact, if you're eating a balanced diet, you might almost be getting all the nutrients that your body requires. Taking unnecessary supplements can actually do more harm than good. Vitamins and minerals should ideally come from food. Talk to a healthcare professional to see if there are any specific deficiencies you need to address, rather than taking supplements you don't really need. When it comes to supplements, Remember that knowledge is your best ally. They are not magic pills, but tools to support your health when used properly. It is important to note that your health is your responsibility. Listen to your body, speak with your healthcare professional, and always approach supplements with the same care you would with any other part of your healthcare routine. It is important to be aware of these misconceptions about health supplements to make informed decisions about their use. By understanding the role of supplements in supporting overall health, being conscious of product quality and safety, following recommended dosages, and maintaining realistic expectations, individuals can effectively incorporate supplements into a healthy lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might be relying on supplements, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, smarter life. Until I come your way next time, I'm still your next door nurse, and I'm just a knock away. I love you guys. Bye for now.